Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TSLA Tesla. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, relatively speaking, I mean, yeah, there was plenty of opportunities today, but not like a massive day. I will say, though, that now that the dust has settled, a couple of very well-defined areas from the technical point of view have taken shape. So moving forward, there's going to be a couple levels that I think a lot of people will be watching, and I emphasize a lot of people because when there are many eyeballs watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements, and that's what we have with a couple of these levels. So the first key level that every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching is right here at that area of $423. You can see multiple times today the price got up around that general area and can just never quite push through it. Now, this is not a guarantee of anything. It's just a question of, can the price get up through that level? And like I said, not a guarantee, but a more than valid, a more than rational thought to have, that if the price can work its way up there and get the break through that area, that would be a sign that, hey, you know what, the bulls are back. And because of that, like I said, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, that could very well produce quite a bit of upside buying pressure. Again, not guaranteed to happen, but that's definitely a more than valid and rational thought to be having. So keep a very close eye right up around that 423 mark. And then on the flip side, as far as areas of support are concerned, keep a very close eye on this area down here around the 416 mark. Again, not a guarantee, but a rational line of thinking that if the price does fail to break up through 423, comes down here, and then breaks down through that level. Again, not a guarantee, but a valid thought to have that if the price breaks through that level, that could very well create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So moving forward, at least from the trading standpoint, like I said, these would be the two key technical levels that at least I'll be watching personally. And like I said, I think a lot of other traders will be watching. So let's see how the price plays out relative to these couple levels. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.